Kita balik, Rohi Dutia.
Is leading. How do you find it?
We are very fortunate at this time. We are here together here with a large crowd, and we are fortunate loving and beloved candidate Dr. D.K. Singh is winning by a margin as of now by 250. We are so proud of him, and also for our party, to our leader, also for all party workers who are here together here to celebrate our victory.
Did you expect him to win?
Yeah, much more. Our expectation is much more high.